welcome back to another video, and today we are doing this game again, and this where I am uploading the last one so that I made. So let's go and continue this. Hey, you stole my cupcakes. You stole my cupcakes. Oh, there's an iPod. I should get that. Oh, holy crap, no. Oh, pecan mix. Oh, that's gonna taste terrible. Oh, that's gonna taste. Ooh, that's lady. You gotta read a book. So pecans. Okay, let's go. Some of this. 1, 2, 3. You want pecans? What? I think this is like strawberries because I got up to wave like 20. Oh wow, she just wants some sugar. That's all. That's all she really wants. That. Dion, no. Donut, I think it is. I'm not sure what his name is. 2 pancakes. 1, 2. I love it. Love it, love it. Come on, go. Thank you, thank you, and thank you. Okay, so this is her thing. She just wants some cinnamon. And that is fine, because I have tons of cinnamon. And, whoa. Oh, I thought that was overboard. Is there another person? You're chewing gum. See, he is reading a book. He is. Thank you. Oh, well, he has glasses, so that does make sense. Ah, that's Kelly, I think. Kelly? Kelly. Kelly, that's Kelly. That is Kelly. That's Penny. Okay. I need it. No! They could poop it out of... Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, it's probably gonna burn. It's all yucky. Oh, just let me take these. Oh, crap. Oh, it's all gonna be, like, all bursty now. Let's put 1, 2 in here. Oh, this is terrible. Look at it. Oh, it's all, like, crazy. Yikes. I should get a bell. You know how they have those bells? I'm so confused. Why don't I have a bell yet? Oh, yeah. Wait, no. I need to get it off. Okay, I can make it. Can I? I'm gonna make the sugar, just the sugar one. Okay, so she wants 1, 2. Yep, I knew it. And some sugar. Sugar. Nope, cinnamon. Keep saying that wrong. Here, have all the cinnamon. I don't want it. Okay, which one are we working? We're working on this one next. 100%. Holy crap. 46. Thank you. Okay, we have time for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yep. Just right when I put this on. Come on, hurry up! I don't want this honey stuff. Thank you. Finished. And then thank you. Yeah. I'm gonna check if there's anybody else here. Cause this is pretty easy. I don't. Yeah, baby. Oh, this guy loves chocolate chip. Just look it. And then a butter. Penny, she likes lots of pancakes. She likes 3 pancakes. Oh, nope. Never mind. She just likes the regular order. I think she was my first customer. Not kidding. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Somebody. Oh, yeah, we have blueberries. Oh, Okay, see, they're all like reading books and stuff. That's so weird. Okay, so what do we have? So we have 2 of those. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And is that all? And then 1, 2, 3, and then with some blueberries. 1, 2. Okay, so I think we have time to make this. Let's go ahead. Guys, be quiet. I keep telling them this morning. Today. So 1, 2, 3, and then some salsa. Just kidding, he put salsa on their pancakes. It's terrible. Okay, here you go. Let's go with this guy's first. No, you can't, no. Yes, I got, no, I know. Grill station, I need to flip all of these. Oh my gosh, that looked like it hurt. What am I talking about? Oh, I thought I didn't get anything done, but we're gonna go with these ones first. Nope, we're gonna have to go with the chocolate dudes first because he loves chocolate chips. Oh, we have a long way, crap. Oh yeah, I forgot we could do that. Speed it up. Oh, we need that. We need that. Speed this up a little bit. We need this. Yeah, okay, so guys, we are doing really good. So 1, some chocolate chips, just do this. This is what I do. He's just gonna taste pancake when he eats it. It's gonna be terrible. It's just gonna be pancakes. Old, crusty little pancake things. On the top, I'll put it like absolutely mad. I'll put like 50 piles of... Because he loves chocolate chips. Hopefully, he likes it. So, 1. 2. Oh, I can just tell this is going to be huge. Oh, he's going to have a stomach ache after. 3. Man, I love this game. Okay, I think 3 is enough. Should I go 4? I'm going to go 4 just in case. Ethan, turn that off. I'm doing a video. Stop. Oh my gosh, this guy is going to have a stomach ache after. Stop! Turn it off. Go in there, Ben. Yes! Oh my God, Jesus. Oh, I forgot the butter. But who cares? I forgot I don't even think you can. Yeah, the build state. He didn't like all those chocolate chips, but that's fine. Cause you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. 1, 2. No, I said don't throw a fit. Get out of here. You're supposed to be up there. I am tired of them. I need to stop. Oh crap! I gave it to the wrong person. Oh no, I didn't. Huh? I was like, holy crap! I gave it to the wrong person. Okay, put it there, and boom. Just kidding. Bada 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 bo. Boom, badum bum, bum boom. Dun dun dun. Come on, go. It's good. Good, and good. I think it's, hopefully this is my last. Yeah, she likes it. That other one, he just didn't like it. Oh, no, this guy's terrible. Oh, never mind. Kasha, you are in good hands because I'm not going to put 50 pounds of those on. Okay, good. Let's go. 1, 2. And so, guys, I think today was a very successful day, except for the chocolate chip man. The chocolate chip man did not like his order, and I am very upset because there's peacocks on the thing. I'm gonna make a burnt toast just for him. No, I'm not. I'm gonna leave it on there until it goes like flying to China. I'm just kidding. Put that in the trash. It's old, it's crusty, and it does. Flipped the wrong one. No, wait, what? Wait, I think it's that. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm so confused. Wait, what? I was like flipping and frying that thing, but it didn't like me. So, hey, let's try some bubblegum. You wanna read a book? My kitty cat will tell you a story. Tell him a story! Now! Okay, he does it. Oh, he has that little chip hat. I never even noticed that. Oh, right when I came. Yeah, baby. You made it. Josh. Oh, I forgot to put in the sprinkles. I'll put just 2 bundles of blueberries just for him. Oh, crap. I forgot to put him in there. But still, I did not like him, so he did not like me. See, there's him right there. He's right. He's at the Papa's Pizzeria. No, Freezeria right there. I should play that. Huh? Maybe in a different series. Just leave it here. Oh, that goes so slow. They really like that. Okay, good. Oh, hopefully this guy likes it, because I put blueberries on the flippin' thing! Please. Oh! That just minus all of his stars. Not a pancake fan. I'm not a pancake fan. Crap. At least we got 50. Oh, let's play the hallway hunt. I've never done that. Okay, so we gotta follow his eyes. Oh, where are you gonna go? Oh, he's right there. Stop it. Go away. Yeah, where's Nick? He's in China. I'm gonna play till I have all my stuff. It's gonna be hard though. Oh, I have to find him. I have to follow his eyes. He's right there. Yeah, so you have to practically follow his eyes and see for it. So I guess, so you have to find. Right here. Yeah! I'm so good at this game. I'm not picking you 3. Okay, I'm gonna play till I have 40 tickets. So that's 10 times. Arjica. Oh, is that you? I think that's you. Nope, whoa. Oh, you gotta be careful. Oh, right here. Yeah! Man, I nailed it. Man, I got lots of stuff. Maybe I'll put it there. Wanna play? Hot Quinn. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I lost it. Where? Right there. Oh, which one was? Oh, it was right. You piece of crap. Okay, I'm not gonna play anymore. Man, that game's so hard. So, guys, I will do another video on this with the chocolate chip man. And I will see you later. Goodbye.